So, updated my exhaust on my 2016 Silverado. What I originally had was the stock exhaust and just clamped a straight pipe where the muffler was. And that's all I had. And I ordered a Flowmaster 44 series off of eBay, and this is what it looks like underneath. I turned it in from a single to a dual with the kit that they had. So it's a catback, starts here, and the kit comes with all pre-bent pipes and hangers. Then the muffler, and breaks off into two here. And it comes with an extra, two extra hangers. I'll show you the back. And you can get chrome or black coated tips like I did here. Let's show you what it sounds like. And this is going to be a cold start. So if you guys like the sound of the 44 series, I'll leave the link in the description below. The kit goes to 14 to 17 Silverados, I believe. Also, if it sounds distorted from my phone, listen with some headphones, it'll sound better. My phone just doesn't pick it up very well. Alright, let me know what you guys think.